No Photoshop. Continuation. The file new. Content white color. So then OK. Select object methods, rectangular marquee tools, elliptical marquee tools. So likewise, lasso tools, polygonal lasso tools, magnetic lasso tools. Everything already done. So at the same time, layer, new adjustment layer. So the new fill layer. So that also reduced. So magic wand tools. Magic wand tools. Selected this also. Magic wand tools. So once again, file open. So select this one. Say select this one. So the magic wand tools. Magic wand tools. You click on here. Magic wand tools. Select it. Say here like this way. So then after that with shift key. With shift. So you can make it like this way. You can remove the and increase remove the inside selections with shift key. So likewise you can remove that. So after that, layer, new adjustment layer. So new fill layer. So now go to this new adjustment layer, color balance. Color balance. So the different colors you can choose from here. You can select from here. So then after that, OK. Three different colors mixing. Cyan, magenta, yellow. Red, green, blue. Cyan, red. Say now increase the red color so you can understand. So the magenta also. Magenta. So the green or magenta. So likewise yellow. Right. Say we cancel this. So now go back to layer, adjustment layer. So the brightness and contrast. So then after that, OK. So the brightness. So the contrast. Purposely. You can increase or decrease the contrast. Brightness. So at the same time, so you increase the contrast, then adjust by the brightness. So here like this way. So then cancel this. So the layer, new adjustment layer. Yesterday we done this part. So likewise we can do that also. So the new fill layer. So that gradient. So the gradient, so then after that select OK. So the gradient color also, so now click on here the linear radial angle reflected diamond. Sorry, diamond. So anyone say you can select on here. So the radial type, so like this way. So the ankle, so you can increase or decrease the ankle. So reflected, so you can adjust the ankle. So the scale, so the everything, say you can select from here, the linear. So now cancel this. So likewise, layer, near fill layer, patterns. So then after that, okay. So the patterns. So the patterns say here, any patterns these are created by manufacturers. So any patterns say you can select like this way. Right? Any pattern for this one. So likewise, so any pattern for this one. So now you can select for this. Say how to make it the patterns. How to make the patterns. So the pattern, so we can create something, say any pictures. So make it as a pattern. So how to create the patterns? So just I take one picture, JPG picture. So just file open, and select this one. So then after that, OK. Say I'm going to change as a patterns for this picture. How to create the patterns? So here this one, how to create the patterns. So first open the any JPG file in JPG file. So then after that, edit define pattern, define pattern, edit select define pattern. So that picture coming on this under the patterns. So you can type the file name. Say I'm going to take this picture PICT-2 JPG picture. So then after that, OK. So now created as a pattern. This picture created as a pattern. So then after that, close this one. So already selected this area. Already selected this area. Right, through the magic band tools. Through the magic band tools, already selected this one. So how to apply that patterns? The same method, layer, neofill layer. So then pattern, select on here. Then after that, OK. So here that pattern coming on here. Say here, say that picture added to here with that earlier one pictures. Right. So then scale 100% here. So now you can reduce or increase. Right. Say you can increase or decrease that. Say just decrease percentage wise. So you can increase, say likewise the decrease. Say likewise you can create some patterns. So you open the JPG files or other PNG or whatever. So then convert as a pattern, then apply to like this. Right. So new adjustment layer. So new fill layer, the patterns. So you can apply like this. So just so now click on here, paint bucket tools, paint bucket tools. So now select this paint bucket tools. So then click on here. The foreground color should come to here. So then after that, edit, define pattern. So the blue color, foreground. So the pattern one, pattern name, pattern one. So then after that, okay. So then close this. I must save this layer, new fill layer, pattern. So then after that, okay. So that pattern already we have created that pattern, color, foreground color. So then add it here. Right. So you can increase or decrease that. Okay. So you practice like this way. Later we can meet on another unit. So now Control plus D.